So let's say that you quickly want to export out a file right here and choose a particular location. In that case, what you can do is on the timeline, you can go around onto export and simply click on to file right here. Once you do that, you get the Explorer window right here, and you can choose the location where you want to save your exported file, and you can simply give a file name right here like export, just like this, and click on save. Once you do that, what happens is that immediately you can see that the file gets added onto the render queue on the location that you selected right here, and it says starting. And what happens is that in a while it'll get started to be rendered, and we'll just simply save out the file just like this. And you can see that the render has been started quickly just like this. So that is what you have, and you do need to wait a while for the render to be completed. And it's almost complete, as you can see right here, after waiting for a while. And this is what you have, as you can see. And the file has been exported out over here in the location of my choice. And in my case, it was the desktop right here. And once you open up the video, this is the exported video right here, just like this. And that is how you can go around and export out your timeline contents, that is your project, to a file in a particular chosen location quickly. So I hope you guys learned something as always. And as always, please like, comment, share, and subscribe.